The bookholder is an agentic rehearsal partner built on Shakespearean plays for actors and actresses alike. The product is inspired by my mother, who went back to acting after 30 years and has difficulty mastering lines in a play. Because in order to truly master a line, you must repeat it over and over. It takes someone to read the other lines back to you, and that person isn't always there, but the bookholder is. And when the bookholder is used, you see not a dashboard, but decisions. The bookholder features a coach, an agentic coach, one that has picked out this line out of the entire play because it knows that she has missed it 3 times in the last 4 runs. The coach has read her entire history and has decided that this is the focus. An agent that forgets between sessions can't coach you. It can only react. So the memory layer is the product, and it's CockroachDB. Every scored unit of every rehearsal with what she actually said. The play's 1,600 units are embedded by Titan on Bedrock into CockroachDB's distributed vector index next to the transactional state, no separate vector store. Audio is streamed over a WebSocket to Amazon Transcribe. One Bedrock call scores the whole speech and returns a verdict per unit, and those write to CockroachDB as each speech finishes in a serialized transaction. Nova Light is the agent that runs a real tool loop over this. 4 read tools, and it picks which one to call. One takes a line she missed and runs nearest neighbor search across those embeddings to find others close in meaning, which is how it tells a one-off from a pattern. And here's what most agent demos skip. When she acts on a recommendation, the session records which one it came from. So next time, it doesn't ask whether she followed the advice. It asks whether the advice worked. Comparing those grades then against now. If nothing improved, the agent treats its own advice as wrong and changes approach. Read, decide, act, write, evaluate. CockroachDB holds the state and the vectors. Bedrock runs the scoring, embeddings, and the agent. ECS, AWS Amplify, Transcribe, Poly, and S3 are all deployed over OIDC with no long-lived credentials. She uses this tool every morning and has already been able to tell me that her line mastery has improved. The bookholder is already providing real value to real users. It is an experience.